Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to run Python code in Replit step by step. First, I've opened my Replit Python project. Now I'll use the Replit AI agent to create and run a simple Python program. In the message agent box, I'm typing a prompt that asks Replit to create a Python program and run it automatically. After pressing enter, Replit starts working on the request. Within a few seconds, it generates the Python code, executes it, and displays the output on the screen. As you can see, the program has run successfully, and the output is displayed. This confirms that the Python code executed correctly without any errors. One of the best features of Replit is that you don't need to install Python on your computer. Everything runs directly in your browser, making it easy to write, test, and run Python programs from anywhere. You can use the same process to create more advanced programs, edit your code, and run it again whenever you want. Replit is an excellent platform for beginners, students, and developers who want a fast and simple coding environment, and that's how you can run Python code in Replit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.